Despite the BJP being in a minority, the NDA government will implement one nation, one election in its current tenure, a top government functionary said on Sunday. The functionary said that there is no area where the NDA government, which completed 100 days of its third term on Sunday, has not taken policy decisions to continue the work it had initiated 10 years ago. The official said, and I quote, whether it is defense, space, external and home affairs, education, Digital India and making India a manufacturing hub, spending 11 lakh crore annually on building infrastructure, Mahila Yuva Garib Kisan, we are continuing with and taking forward the work that was started in 2014. Even our foreign policy has a rear ki haddi as in backbone today, which it didn't have under the previous governments. Since Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been advocating for one nation, one election, holding elections to Lok Sabha, all state legislative assemblies, and urban and rural local bodies at the same time. In his latest Independence Day address, too, he made a strong pitch for it, contending that frequent polls were creating hurdles in the country's progress. A high-level committee headed by former President Ramnath Kovind in March this year recommended simultaneous elections for the Lok Sabha and state assemblies as the first step, followed by synchronized local body polls within 100 days. This requires a constitutional amendment, but as a first step to hold the Lok Sabha and state elections together, a ratification by states will not be required for the amendment. In the second step, elections to municipalities and the panchayats will be synchronized with elections to Lok Sabha and assemblies in such a way that local body elections are held within 100 days of the elections to Lok Sabha and assemblies. This will require ratification by not less than one half of the states. The source said the government had started preparations for conducting the census, but a decision is yet to be taken on including a column on caste. The process will begin soon, he said. The census was not conducted in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.